Are you getting a file not supported error in CapCut on your iPhone? This usually happens when the video or audio format isn't compatible or the file is corrupted or incomplete. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the CapCut file not supported error. So let's fix it together. Solution 1. Check file format. Make sure your video file format is MP4 or MOV. Your audio file is MP3 or M4A, and your image file is JPG or PNG. If your file has another format like MKV, AVI, FLV, or WEBM, convert it to MP4 or MOV before importing. You can use free converters from online. Solution 2. Clear CapCut cache. Open up the CapCut app, then tap on the profile icon or Me tab. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Next tap Clear Cache below. Then tap Confirm, and it's been cleared. Solution 3. Offload the CapCut app. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. If you can't find the app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. If you're still facing the same issue, then try to update the CapCut app from the App Store. Hope your issue is solved by now. Thanks for watching.